In this video, we will look at the Google Ads creation process. Google Ads are displayed on the Google search result page. On other Google-owned websites like YouTube and Gmail, and on other 2 million plus websites that are a part of Google Display Network. Let us create a Google Ads account. Go to ads.google.com to get started. Log in with your Gmail ID. It will take you to a smaller guided setup to create an ad quickly. The guided setup is very easy to use and automated. That said, it is less flexible and has limited features available for creating an ad. So let's switch to an expert mode. There are various goals to choose from for our ad campaign. Sales as a goal is used to drive more sales on an app, by phone or in-store. It helps you engage with customers who are close to making a purchase decision. Leads goal is used to get contact details of relevant customers interested in your products or services. Website traffic goal is chosen to drive potential customers to your website. Product and brand consideration goal help you engage with people who have shown interest in your brand while researching for products or services. Brand awareness and reach goal helps you reach a wider audience and increase awareness among relevant audiences. App promotion goal is selected to promote the app so that more and more people download and install it. We can create a campaign without any goal too. The next step is to select a campaign type. Search campaign type is a text-based ad that helps you reach customers interested in your product or services. Display ads allow the advertiser to run different types of ads on Google's display network, which includes 2 million plus websites across the web. Shopping ads are used to promote the products you want to sell. These are more useful for e-commerce or retail companies. Video ads help you engage and reach viewers on YouTube and other websites across the web. Smart ad campaigns are guided, automated ads that Google have conceptualized for beginners or for users who want minimal hands-on ad management. Campaigns with discovery ads runs on YouTube, Gmail, Discover, and other partner network websites. Then, determine the action you want users to take when they see your ad. Click Continue. Name your campaign. Select whether you want your ads to be shown on Google Search Network, Display Network, or both. If you select Search Network, ads can appear near Google search results and other Google sites when people search for terms that are relevant to your keywords. The Google Display Network option shows your ads to relevant customers as they browse sites, videos, and apps across the internet. If you are a beginner, we suggest that you choose Search Network only, as it will allow you to have tighter control over your ads and the budget. Then, determine the start and end dates of your ad. The campaign URL option can be used if you want to create a tracking template for the analytics platform, if any you are using. Dynamic search ad setting automates search targeting and provides automated ad headlines based on your website. It can be very useful for websites having multiple products or a huge website. But for beginners, we suggest to skip it. Let us go to the ad targeting section. You can target, exclude, or select locations nearby a country, a state, a city, or a PIN code. You can also drop in PIN to a selected location and define a specific radius around the PIN location. You can target or exclude people staying in or are regularly in the selected locations, show interest in the selected locations, or are searching for locations you have targeted. Location settings are an absolute must if you are running a local business and want to attract people from nearby areas. You can target audiences based on the languages they speak. You can further narrow down your audience in this section. Audiences are groups of people with specific interests, intents, and demographics as estimated by Google. They're people you can show your ads to. You can either search some audiences suggested by Google or use ideas used by other advertisers offering services similar to yours, or browse and select audiences based on various parameters shown here. The next step is to determine the ad budget. If you are at a beginner level, start small, analyze the performance of your ad, and then gradually increase once you are satisfied with the performance. The next step is to determine the bidding strategy. Let us understand the various bidding strategies. Maximize clicks, that is, cost per clicks, is a default bidding strategy suggested by Google. You pay when someone clicks the ad. Google will try and get the maximum number of clicks for your ad irrespective of the cost per click. You can set a maximum CPC bid limit, which means that Google will try and get as many clicks as possible below the bid limit set by you. You may end up spending more cost per click than you intend to. Target search page location is a strategy that increases brand awareness by showing your ad impressions higher on the search results page. Google will try and show you as many tops of the page bid or first page bids as possible for your predefined daily budget campaign. Target ROAS, that is, target return on ad spend. It is the average conversion value you'd like to get for each rupee you spend on ads. It is calculated as conversion value divided by ad spend into 100%. For example, if your goal is to get an average of rupees 5 in sales for each rupee 1 you spend on ads, your target ROAS would be 500%. Google bids to try and achieve an average return on ad spend across all campaigns using this strategy. The next bidding strategy is target cost per action, or target CPA. Google automatically sets bid to help get as many conversions as possible at the target cost per action CPA you set. Target outranking share is used when you are willing to spend money to outrank, that is, show your ad above your competitors. You need to tell Google the website link of your competitor and the percentage of times you want to outrank your competition. If your competition also decides to use this strategy, it can get very expensive because you will enter into a bidding war and will drive up the overall bid amount. To prevent this, set a maximum bid limit. In manual CPC bidding, you set your maximum cost per click CPC for your ads and have complete control over the auction. Google will not bid more than the maximum amount mentioned by you. Enhanced CPC helps you get more conversions from manual bidding. It works by automatically adjusting your manual bids for clicks that seem more or less likely to lead to a sale or conversion on your website. It starts with 50% of the traffic, experiments with bids, and then optimizes it for the entire campaign. You might have a doubt that if you are just starting, what bidding strategy should you choose? We suggest beginning with manual CPC, as it gives you the most control over the amount of money spent. You can also choose the specific dates and specific times you want to run your ads. The ad rotation settings allow you to rotate your ads if you have multiple ads in your ad group. If you choose the optimize option, the ads expected to get more clicks are delivered more often than other ads in the group. If you choose not to optimize, then all the ads will be given equal weightage and will be showed equally. Let us now look at extensions. Adding extensions to your ads results in 15% higher click-through rate. Adding extensions also helps you improve your ad quality. The different extensions available are: site link extensions are clickable links in your ad with headlines and descriptions. It will appear here on your ad. You can add multiple site link extensions. At the most, 4 site links will be shown in your ad. You can add links to our Contact Us page, FAQ section, product page URLs, etc. Let's create a Contact Us extension. Add site link text followed by a description and add the website URL. Using the advanced setting, you can schedule when it should start and stop showing it to the audience. If you choose mobile, the extensions will not be seen by a user on desktop. Save it. Create multiple site link extensions and choose the ones you want to add to your ad. Callout extensions appear here in the ad. It can help you to highlight the benefits you offer, exclusive offers, reviews, etc. You can add multiple call-out extensions. The process to add a call-out extension is very similar to the site link extension. Add at least a couple of call-out extensions to your ad. Structured snippet extensions help you highlight specific aspects of your products and services. They are informational in nature. Do not use it for promotions. It can show up to 2 headers at a time on the desktop, while ads that show on mobile and tablet devices will only show 1 header. There is a predefined list of headers that you have to choose from. Let us add a structured snippet extension, selecting services, adding values like mutual funds, financial services advisory, and portfolio management. In the advanced section, you have the same options available as in the other extensions. App extensions are used for advertising apps. It is a great way to provide access to your website and your app from a single ad. The process to add an app extension is similar to other extensions. Message extensions gives users the ability to send you a text message. However, Google is going to discontinue the message extensions and hence we will skip it. Call extensions lets you add phone numbers to your ads, which can significantly increase click-through rates. People can tap on click a button to call your business directly. Using location extensions allows you to share your office address, office hours, Google reviews, etc. using this extension. For this, you will have to link your Google Ad account to a Google My Business GMB account and show the Google My Business's location as location extension in Google Ads. To use this option, you will need access to the Google My Business account that lists your locations. Promotions extension can be used to announce a specific offer, discounts, promotions, etc. that is offered by businesses. This is used mainly by e-commerce or rental companies to promote sales on specific occasions like Diwali, New Year, etc. Price extensions can be used to specifically mention the price of the product or services you offer. It provides a bigger showcase for your services and range of products, and by linking people directly to the product or services on your site. Campaign URL option allows you to add tracking parameters to your ad if you are using external analytics software for tracking your ad performance. Let's skip it for now. Click Save and Continue. Name the ad group. The next phase, that is keywords, is the most important part of Google Ads. If you get your keywords right, it can be extremely beneficial for your business. Keywords are words or phrases describing your product or service that you choose to help determine when and where your ad is shown to the users. Select high quality, relevant keywords for your ad campaign to help you reach only the most interested people who are more likely to become your customers. Keywords research and planning phase is the heartbeat of your ads. Let's look at how to perform keyword research. Start with the services you offer, like buy mutual funds, portfolio management services, etc. Next is the problems your services solve for your customers, like retirement planning, child education, goal-based investing, etc. Then there are very specific queries like how to buy mutual funds, best asset management company in Mumbai, top performing mutual funds to buy, best mutual funds to invest, buy mutual funds online, etc. On the right-hand side of your screen, using the keyboard planner provided by Google, you can get keyword ideas. Type in buy mutual funds and note the different suggestions shown. It also indicates the number of clicks per day, cost per day, and average CPC of the keyword. Click Add all ideas if you want to add all the terms, or click the plus sign for the specific keyword you want to add. You can also go to Google search to look for the keywords. For example, go to google.com and start typing. Google will auto-suggest you some keywords used by people to search about buying mutual funds. Go to the bottom of your search result page and see the related searches section. Google gives you the list of related keywords that people use to search for buying mutual funds online. Another important thing to note about keywords is the keyword match type. Keyword match types gives you more control over what searches your keyword should match. There are 5 keyword match types defined by Google. The first, broad match, is the default match type. The Google ad system automatically runs your ads on relevant variations of your keywords, including synonyms, possible misspellings, stemming such as floor and flooring, and other related searches. Broad match keywords can serve on searches that don't contain the keyword from the keyword list and searches that are related to the keyword but don't have the same meaning. Avoid using broad match terms because it may result in more ad spend, and that too with less relevant clicks. For broad match modifier and plus sign on plus keywords. Broad match modifiers ensures your ads will only show for searches that include the words you've marked with a plus sign, such as plus mutual, plus funds, or close variations. Words can appear in search in any order, and there can be other words in between. It may still bring a lot of irrelevant clicks. With phrase match, you can show your ad to customers who are searching for your exact keyword and its close variations, with additional words before or after. Enter the keywords in ads using quotes mark on open quote buy mutual funds close quote for phrase match targeting. It will help to match the sequence of appearance, and there can be no other words in between. With exact match, you can show your ad to customers who are searching for your exact keyword or close variants of your exact keyword. Enter keywords in ads using square brackets. For exact match targeting, it will not show if there are any additional words before or after it. They can be expensive because most of the competitors will be using it. Negative match is a preventive measure. They are used to prevent triggering of ads when people are searching using some specific keywords you want to avoid. Add a minus sign before the keyword. You want to use it to avoid traffic looking for specific criteria like minus free, comma, minus cheap, etc. An expanded version of the Keyword Planner tool allows you to also analyze the keywords in more detail. Click Tools and Settings. Select Keyword Planner under Planning. Select Discover New Keywords. You can type specific keywords or share your website link in Start with a website section. Switch off the brand name specific results. Go through the results and select the keywords you would like to add. Change the time duration to get more specific results. You can use the keyword planner to also get volume and cost estimates. You can type in the keywords or upload a file. Let's type in keywords to get started. Here, it gives us data about the number of clicks, the number of impressions, the total ad spends, and cost per click. Analyze it and understand the volume and corresponding costs. Now, let us save and continue and create ads. Enter the website URL. Add the headlines. You may Google your competitors' ads and see how they have written their ad. Google suggests you create at least 3 ads for the ad group. That said, it is not mandatory to do so. Click Save and Continue. Click Continue. The ad is submitted for review and it will start once it is approved, which typically takes about a day or so. On the top, it says you cannot run ads because billing information is missing. Fix it by adding your payment details and submit. Now, let us understand how Google conducts the auction to decide which ads to show and at what position. Google Ads platform focuses on ad relevancy, that is, when a user searches for anything, Google wants to send them the most relevant ads or information the users are searching for to help them. When you bid, you indicate the maximum amount you are willing to pay for the ad. However, you only pay slightly higher than the next best bid. Let's understand this with an example. Let's say you set your bid at rupees 50. However, the competitor's bid is rupees 45. Google will not charge you rupees 50 but an amount slightly higher than rupees 45, let's say 46. Also, you only pay per click. Impressions don't cost money. It may be shown multiple times to people, but you only pay if someone clicks it. Ad quality score also plays an important role in the auction. It determines how relevant is the ad. The more relevant your ads and landing pages are to the user, the more likely it is that you'll see higher quality scores. It is reported on a 1 to 10 scale and includes expected click-through rate, that is CTR, ad relevance and landing page experience. CTR or click-through rate is the percentage of people who clicked your ad divided by the number of impressions. Once the user clicks on an ad, they get redirected to a website URL known as a landing page. If the landing page does not convey similar information, then it will impact the customer experience and the customer will not get the information they were looking for. Ad rank equals max CPC bid into quality score. All these factors determine the ad rank, that is, determine where ads are shown on a page relative to other ads or if it is shown at all. This is the methodology Google follows to conduct the auction. In this video, we learned in detail about Google ad creation process and various concepts related to it, like the campaign goals, campaign types, bidding strategies, various ad extensions, keyword planning and keyword types, and how a Google auction takes place. This video is created by Team SalesPanda. SalesPanda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents and dealers. SalesPanda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. SalesPanda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.